welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone. I'm Carol. I'm so happy you've joined us today. We're introducing a new series called Donki Briefs. So, what are Donki Briefs? It's a series of very short videos, I'm talking less than 10 minutes, that encourage you to take a quick break from your busy day. Take 10 minutes out of your lunch break. Take 10 minutes before picking the kids up from school. Take 10 minutes before bedtime and move through a few yoga poses and body movements for your mental and physical well-being. Donki Briefs won't replace the Bottoms Down Chair Yoga classes. Just see them as a great addition to the video library on the Bottoms Down Chair Yoga YouTube channel, where you can choose from a host of full classes by body area, or theme, or position, or length of time. Thanks again for checking it out, and let us know what you think about the Donki Briefs. If you like them, we'll continue to develop more. So, select a Donki Brief video or a full class, and let's get started.